Hi, I'm Mr. Cup. Shall we talk today about AI Basics Lesson 03, Machine Learning Model Building and Workflow? Problem Identification. Identify whether an AI solution is required. For example, predicting customer churn is a classification problem. Model selection. For classification, logistic regression, decision trees, random forest, SVM. For regression, linear regression, ridge, lasso. For clustering, k-means, Dibscan. For deep learning, neural networks, CNNs for images, RNNs for sequences. Model training. Train the model using training data. Use algorithms like gradient descent and backpropagation. ChatGPT. Set hyperparameters such as batch size, learning rate, and number of epochs. Validation and hyperparameter. Tuning. Evaluate model performance on a validation dataset.
Hi friends, subscribe to Mr. Cup channel today and grab the latest knowledge about tech, AI, and everything in between. Your like, comment, and subscription mean a lot to us. So don't forget to show your support.
Tune hyperparameters using grid search, random search, or Bayesian optimization. Apply k-fold cross-validation to avoid overfitting. Deployment. Serialize the model using Pickle, JobLib, or ONNX formats. Deploy as an API using tools like Flask, FastAPI, or TensorFlow Serving. Host the model on cloud platforms like AWS SageMaker, Google AI Platform, or Azure ML. Monitoring and maintenance. Continuously monitor performance to detect data drift or concept drift. Use tools like Prometheus or Grafana for logging and alerts. Retrain the model regularly or when performance drops.